Hello family, if you are a beginner gardener or you love having fun gardening, welcome to the video. Welcome. I share gardening tips, knowledge, tips to grow your container gardening. I have 27 container vegetables and herbs that I planted this year, and I'm just sharing that with you because I have fun, gardening. I have fun with my plants. I just thought it's amazing how they grow things, put it in the soil and it grows quickly. So that's what I share on here. It's for beginner gardeners, beginner container gardeners, or in-ground gardeners. Here it's all about having fun while gardening. Thank you. If you like to join this gardening fun, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any tips and a knowledge to share with the rest, please do. And let me know where you are watching from so I can say shout out to you. So that is our plants. So that's it. And I will walk you through the plants, how they are doing after 4 weeks. I would say 4 weeks, 3 days so far, how they are doing. And so I'm going to share that with you. And they are doing very well. I started enjoying some of my basil for food, for stews that I made. So they are doing great. So I just want to take you through it, see them. Next, in week 5, we will start giving them a real plant food. So it's like about how to take care of your plants. How after planting, how do you take care of them? And this is what we'll be doing from now onwards. So thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you. Okay, just leave it in the comment section below for me. Any tips you have, any ideas, and let's chat. Take care. Bye. So it's been 4 weeks, 3 days since I planted these vegetables and herbs, and they are doing well. Some are doing well, some are not. So I don't know if it is the soil, because I use 4 different soil just to test them to see, and so we can see how everything is growing. That's the corn growing very well. And you can see our onions is also doing well, but you can see this is basil. For some reason it looks like it's dying, and you can see the bottom there, the tree. So I don't know what causes it, but I'm gonna try and see if I can revive it. And we see the pepper is actually doing really well. And you can see our kale parsley, see how it has grown. Both of these are doing really good. And look at the corn. Oh my goodness, it's getting taller and taller. This is the other basil. It's fresh, it's good. I've been using this for a while now. This is the other pepper that is also doing good. For the tomatoes, they are just starting to make flowers, and then we can see this one here as well, flowers. So probably they will come out, they will do well. This one's doesn't look like it's doing much, but we'll see. This is another one, also making flowers. This is Roma tomato. I don't know why it looks like you know, the leaves are all yellow. Shouldn't do that. It should be fresh. So I don't know if because of the soil that I use, but we'll see. I'm gonna look into it more to see how I can revive it. Now the yam, I don't see anything coming at all, so probably it's gonna do well, probably not. So I'll just keep an eye on the yam. And all in all, that's all there is today in this video. It's been a month, and so now we will start giving it food, plant food to give them so they can grow well. Normally when I do planting, the moment I plant them, I started giving them plant food, but because of all the soil that I use, I wanted to give it a little time. So it has been 4 weeks, 3 days now, and they all looks like they are doing well. So we will start giving them food plant or plant food. Probably that will revive this little basil that is dying here. I don't know, but we're not gonna let it go like that. We're gonna revive it. So that's it. If you are a beginner to gardening and you love having fun while gardening, well, this channel is all about gardening, and this is what I do. I love them. I love having fun with my plants, so I'm just sharing tips, knowledge, and you know, so we can all grow our vegetable gardening, our herbs gardening in container. You know, this is all container, 27 of them, and they all looks to be doing so well. So I will see you in week 5 because this is week 4, so I'll see you week 5. You stay healthy and have fun with your plants. I will see you. Take care. Bye.